The coronavirus pandemic is affecting South Dakota livestock producers. The temporary shutdown of meatpacking plants like Smithfield and Sioux Falls created a backlog of animals and financial strain for farmers. Governor Noem says the state continues to petition the federal government for a solution.
It's a waiver and an executive order that we've asked for from the federal government to allow hogs and cattle that are processed in state-inspected facilities to be marketed across state lines so that we could get more of the backlog dealt with that we're seeing in South Dakota.
The USDA finalized a similar agreement with Iowa earlier this week. Many groups around the state are adjusting Memorial Day celebrations to adhere to CDC guidelines. Governor Noem shares some ways communities are adapting.
Some are social distancing in their vehicles at parks or at veterans memorials. Some are limiting the amount of people that can come in, and some are live streaming them as well.
Noem says she's not aware of any memorial events dedicated to veterans who've died from COVID-19. State health officials report 73 new cases of COVID-19 in the state and 2 new deaths. That brings the statewide total to 1,057 active cases, 48 deaths, and 3,145 people who fully recovered. One of the recent deaths is a Minnehaha County resident. The other is a Pennington County resident. Pennington County also saw the day's largest increase with 15 new cases. A dozen other counties had smaller increases. The Department of Health confirms there is minimal to moderate community spread of COVID-19 in Aurora and Oglala Lakota counties. That means there's at least one case that can't be traced to a specific exposure. For South Dakota Public Broadcasting, I'm Jackie Hendry.